Aircraft carriers have long been symbols of naval power, but with rising costs and evolving threats, some question their future. Enter high-tech drones like the Mojave, which could revolutionize carrier operations and extend their relevance. In November 2023, South Korea demonstrated this potential when it launched a Mojave drone from its amphibious assault ship, ROKS Dokdo. Designed for short takeoffs and landings, STOL, the Mojave is a game-changer, enabling ships not designed for fixed-wing aircraft to operate armed drones. This development isn't limited to South Korea. Nations like Turkey, Spain, and Australia could follow suit, using similar platforms to bolster their naval capabilities. The Mojave, developed by General Atomics, is an adaptation of the U.S. Army's MQ-1C Gray Eagle. It requires just 400 feet to take off, can carry up to 3,300 pounds of payload, and loiter for 25 hours. Armed with Hellfire missiles, precision bombs, or even gun pods, the Mojave is versatile, ideal for reconnaissance, cargo delivery, or precision strikes. Unlike the $100 million F-35B fighter, the Mojave costs about $32 million, making it a cost-effective solution for low-intensity conflicts or missions where advanced stealth isn't necessary. While it can't match the speed or stealth of carrier-based jets, its affordability and adaptability fill a critical gap. Even the U.S. Navy plans to integrate drones into its operations, with the MQ-25 Stingray refueling drone slated for deployment by 2028. By 2040, up to 60% of a carrier's air wing could be unmanned, enhancing flexibility and reducing costs. Far from rendering aircraft carriers obsolete, drones like the Mojave are poised to extend their utility. They allow more nations to operate carriers and ensure these massive ships remain relevant in an era of rapid technological change. Drones aren't replacing carriers, they're transforming them.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.